By the end of this week, 15,000 people in the Newton and Rockdale County Health District will have gotten their first vaccine shot.
The health district is expecting another shipment between now and tomorrow morning and says to start checking its site tonight for appointments next week. But as you do, Tracy Amick-Pierre offers some points to keep in mind.
In the Gwinnett, Newton, and Rockdale district, dozens of volunteers from their Medical Reserve Corps have stepped up to help the process move along.
And not just medical people, but all the way from data entry, all the way to vaccinators, to people who can help us observe patients.
District Health Director Dr. Audrey Arona says they are glad to have the extra help in vaccinating the huge number of people 65 and older and first responders. If you are eligible to get a vaccine right now, Dr. Arona says there are a few things to keep in mind as you schedule an appointment. First, don't get any other type of vaccine, even for the flu or pneumonia, in the 14 days leading up to your appointment.
Likewise, if once you receive the COVID vaccine, you shouldn't get another vaccine within 14 days after that.
Second, if you've already had COVID and recovered, you don't have to wait to get the vaccine, unless you received certain medications.
If a person who has received treatment for COVID, like remdesivir or bamlanivimab, which is the monoclonal antibody, or convalescent plasma, they cannot receive the vaccine for 90 days.
Third, while they're still studying how long the vaccine's protection lasts, at this point, don't expect you'll need to get it every year.
The initial case analysis told us that they didn't think that this would be an annual vaccine. Potentially a booster 2 to 4 years from now.
Recently, COVID variants have been found that are even more contagious. Well, Dr. Arona says the vaccines that are out right now can also protect against them.
Well, we know there are still many questions about the coronavirus vaccine, and 11 Alive is committed to bringing you answers. So what do you want to know? You can text us your vaccine questions at the number on your screen, 404-885-7600.